Option A, I will put this image here. So this was a option A image, which is wrong option. Again, this also you can size it, or you can use other editors to size it. Option B is the last image which I have kept. I'll drag it there. Or you can upload from file also, browse from your computer. You take it from Google Drive. There are many download options and upload options, whichever where you have stored it. C2H5. So this is the right answer and I'm giving, and this is the right. And I gave how many points? 3 points, 2 points. Done. Here I can type in. I just want to make it total. Later I will tell about this. So answer key 3 I am done with it. This is my form which covers all type of quiz. So finally responses. What if the quiz is closed? I'll write thank you for showing interest. Now the quiz is closed. Let me check all is fine. Settings okay. Presentation. Oh sorry, there is some section. You will receive the score. Receive the score shortly. Okay, this is correction is done. Fine. Have everything is done, then I start collecting responses. I can create. Now what I'll do, I'll click on send button and I will click on this URL, shorten URL, copy this URL. Fine, I will keep for myself in practice test this quiz link is for practice. Let us understand Google Classroom. Some equations are there. We want to learn code editor. This is now ready. Let me click on preview button. How would you like? I use my alternate email ID or say at Gmail. With this, I will show it in rubrics if I can. Okay, department. So first section is questionnaire, which I wanted for contacting my student or participant. Then go to the next section. Here it is showing edit option because I am the editor. So preview, attempt all questions. Where do the files created in Google Classroom are saved? The right answer is Google Drive. Classwork, create quiz, material, paragraph, answers rubric. Choose a file in Google document. Can you add more fonts up? Little one, yes. Next, this is section 1. Section 2, choose the file. So what are the options available to learn the steps involved in reaction? Just for the namesake, I'm adding a file from my drive or previously selected one, or you can upload in my drive if I have any um, classroom only. I have few images. I need to add either PDF or image. This one I will add. Select. This is a JPG image. This is my file has been done. Which is just solve the correct equation. Done. I can go back and check because I have review option I've given. Now submit. Okay. So this is how you create a quiz type of form, and your quiz has been submitted successfully. You will receive the score shortly. I received that in my mail